Cloud shadows move like waves, changing the desert's mood in seconds. The Gobi sky is half the landscape, open, bright and vast. Different regions carry different names, but the same feeling of distance. Shrubs align with wind, nature's quiet compass. Faint trails cross the ground, evidence of lives that move lightly. Some mornings begin with frost, white edges on a dry world. Colours shift, red soils, pale salts, dark stone, an earth palette always changing. Horizon lines calm the mind.
To watch the full 4K video, click the channel link below.